Hi everyone, it's Cindy from Shenandoah Papercraft. I'm coming on here for a really quick video. I'm joining Nancy Piter in her calendar challenge, and she's done part one, and I followed along and I have done my part one. Basically what we've done is we've taken an old calendar. This one happens to be, or was, 12 by 12. It's now 12 by about 5.5 folded. So any calendar will work, any size calendar. It doesn't have to be 12 by 12. But the folding instructions that Nancy gave were so fun to do, and I followed along with her, and there was only one page I did differently, and I'll show that when I get there because I folded it the wrong way, but it really doesn't matter how you fold them. So opening up the very first page, you took the cover and you folded it in half and folded it over and glued it down. That made your cover. And then for this page, you can see how she did this. You're making long pockets, folded this over into the middle, and then cut the corner off and kind of fold it under the edge. That made a long pocket. This one is glued down this way. We take a little sliver off the edge and put a thumb notch here, and there is one large pocket here. This page was the one I did backwards. It was supposed to fold down on this side, and I accidentally folded it on this side, but I don't think it matters because you can make whatever kind of pocket you like. So this is a long pocket here. This side is two pockets. It's folded over to the middle and glued down, and then there are two pockets. My fingers are not working tonight. So there's a pocket here and another one. Here's the notch. So the other pocket's down here. This one is folded down so that there's a pocket here. And what this is, you cut actually this whole side of the page off and then turn the page, and this next page is turned down and then wrapped around this page. So there's a pocket here and then a pocket here, and this is the middle part right here. And I did a 5-hole pamphlet stitch. This calendar, because it was hung on my wall at work and it was folded over every month, the edge was pretty worn. So I'm going to probably have to reinforce that with some washi tape or some lace or something at the end because it was ratty to start with. And then moving on, we did the second half of the calendar the same as the first. This is mirrored with this. And we haven't come to the decorating part yet, but I have a book full of roses. I'm thinking of taking some of those pages for decorating some of these other parts with the actual calendar part on it. And then here, this pocket is here. And then this is the double pocket again, here and here. Did I miss one? No, not yet. And then here's the upper pocket here. This is the full length pocket onto the side. This one, oh, this turned out, take these out. These were the cutoffs of some of the pages. This one, you can't really see it because it's all regular calendar, but there is a pocket down here with the thumb notch in it. And what I'm planned on doing, oh, two of them. There's a double. I can't even see them myself. So there's a pocket up here and a pocket down below. And then on this side is the back. So I was going to take one of these and probably go like this, put a notch there and make it a side pocket, or cover it completely. I don't know yet. We haven't gotten to the decorating part, but that's just a quick little video of what we're working on, and you can see how Nancy teaches the different folding of the pockets in her video, and I'll put her link below. And I believe Amy at Crafty Cat is also doing it, and she's doing it in a completely different way. So you might check Amy's channel out as well. So this is the beginning. This is part 1 of my calendar challenge, and I will come back with more on that later when we get to part 2.